Hello everyone, welcome back to the Beta TV studio for another live episode of Beta Unboxed. I'm your host Noelle, and today I am here to tell you all about the LARQ water bottle, which I have two different colors here with me. Now that's LARQ with a Q, so it's LARQ, not LARK, as maybe some of you are thinking. And LARQ actually is the world's first on-the-go water purification system. It's also the world's first self-cleaning water bottle. So really innovative product here that is a favorite amongst our beta customers, our beta testers, and myself included. I am a huge fan. Of course, we're here in San Francisco, so we love our Golden State Warriors, and Draymond Green also loves the LARQ bottle. He's one of the people over at LARQ, and he absolutely loves LARQ. So, and we love him, and we love the Golden State Warriors. So all around, 5 stars. Everybody loves this product, and let me tell you why. So LARQ is actually, like I said, it's a self-cleaning water bottle, which means that you never have to wash it. That's right, you never ever have to wash LARQ. And that's because it uses UVC technology. There's actually a UVC LED light built into the cap here, which I'll show you a picture in just a second. But what that light does is it actually sterilizes the water. It kills all of that odor-causing bacteria, which is usually what makes your water bottle smell so bad. I know that I have spent countless hours at the sink trying to scrub the smell out of my reusable water bottles, and just nothing ever tends to, work or be successful. So love that LARQ is making it so that we never have to wash our water bottles again. Also, like I said, it's reusable. You can use it as a water bottle. You can also put hot liquid in here, so tea or coffee. So really it's helping with sustainability, and 8 million pieces of plastic are dumped into the ocean on a daily basis. I think it is imperative for all of us to do our part to help, clean up our oceans, and less plastic means, just a happier planet and a happier environment for all of us. So love that LARQ is helping, kind of lead the charge in reducing plastic and waste, and also just helping keep us healthy and safe by sterilizing our water. So let me show you again how it works. So like I said, there's a UVC LED light built into the cap here itself. So when I twist off the cap, this is where the light is, and when I turn it on, the light is going to be activated and it's going to start the sterilization process. So let me go ahead and pour some water into, this is our Seaside Mint LARQ bottle. That's the color of this one, and then right next to it we have the Himalayan Pink. So there's a couple of different modes that you can use on the LARQ bottle. There's a normal mode and an adventure mode. So with the blue one, I'm going to use the normal mode. This is what you would normally use on a daily basis. It will activate every 2 hours, so it will make sure that your water is being sterilized every 2 hours, but you can also manually activate it by clicking on the top once. And then I don't know if you can see that sort of that light, that LED light it's on, so it's showing that the sterilization process has been activated. And then in adventure mode, we're gonna double click to activate that. And if you can kind of see the difference there, I know it's a little bit hard to tell, but both of the caps are lit up. On the blue, on the mint, excuse me, we have sort of a steady pulsating light, and then on the pink, it's a little bit quicker. So that's to indicate the normal mode and the adventure mode. Now the adventure mode is perfect for any of you hikers or campers out there that tend to go away for long periods of time out in nature. Maybe you're nearby a lake or a creek. You can actually fill the LARQ bottle with water that's from a less potable source, and in the adventure mode you're going to get 3 minutes of sterilization, so it's going to make that lake water or stream water safe for you to drink. How cool is that? So this is a fantastic bottle. I mean, this is like crucial for you, I think, to take, if you like to be outdoors for long periods of time. Definitely take the LARQ bottle with you. The adventure mode, like I said, is a sterilization process for 3 minutes. In normal mode, it's 60 seconds. And there we have a couple of pictures of some, outdoorsy people that have taken the LARQ bottle along with them. That picture there on the right with that snow. So what's really cool about LARQ is you can fill it up with snow. You just want to make sure to let it melt before you turn on the adventure mode and start the sterilization process. Same thing goes for ice. You can, if you're an ice person, you can put ice in your water, you just want to make sure that it melts because the ice tends to interfere with that UVC LED light technology. So really awesome. And like I said, you can also put hot liquid in here, coffee or tea for the morning and take it off, to work or wherever it is that you're going. It will keep your cold drinks cold for 24 hours and hot drinks hot for 12 hours. We have other color variations available on beta.com. There are 5 colors total. So there they are right there. We have, like I said, the Seaside Mint, which is in the middle of that picture there. We've got the Himalayan Pink. There's also a Granite White, a Monaco Blue, and an Obsidian Black. Those are all of the names of the colors that we have available. I'm really partial to this mint blue. I just think it's so fun and fresh and cute. I also really love that granite white color, which goes with everything. But this, like I said, the normal mode is just 60 seconds. So this has been sterilized. This water is ready for me to drink. This one, on the other hand, is still in that adventure mode. 3 minutes on that guy. All of the colors are available on beta.com. The product retails for $95. You can also go to LARQ's website, which is livelarq.com, and you can check out more of their products. You can also, investigate a little bit more and learn more about the UVC LED light technology that is used in hospitals, actually, to sterilize utensils in hospitals, and they use that same technology here to sterilize your water. So we love the LARQ bottle. I know you guys are gonna love it so much. Head over to beta.com right now to get yours, again, for $95, and leave us a review. Let us know how you like it. Also, be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channels. We make videos every single day, so tune in for more live product features here live from San Francisco. Thanks, you guys. See you later. Bye.